Here is how to go viral on YouTube with a small channel. All you just need to do is to go to Google right now and search for Google Trend. Search for Google Trend. Okay. When you search for Google Trend, you just need to allow it to load. It will take you to this particular interface right here. Once it take you to this particular interface, the next you need to do is to select this first one, which is Google Trend. Okay, you are going to visit Google Trend website. Once it take you to this Google Trend website, but what I actually mean by going viral on YouTube with a small channel is YouTube pushing your new videos to audience that does not know you. It's not a matter of getting millions of views, but YouTube pushing your videos, which means if your video is relevant or delivering value to those new audience, you will likely get much views, and YouTube will keep on pushing that video using this particular method which I'm teaching you right now. Pay very close attention. Once you come to this particular section right now, click on this blog section right now. Once you click on it, click on this trending now. And this particular method also will help you to actually get trending keyword also that will actually help you to attract more users very fast. Pay close attention. Once you take you to this particular section right now, go on right now and select the country which you want to target. You can be in Ghana or Nigeria and target USA, and you can be in USA and target Nigeria. I'm going to select country right now. I'm going to search for country. I'm going to select Nigeria right now. Okay, I will search for the country which I want to target. I've selected Nigeria and I'm going to select Nigeria. After selecting Nigeria right now, if your channel is more than 30 days, okay, you can target a keyword that is within 24 hours if you can do that. But if your channel is not strong enough, it's not more than 30 days, it's still new, you just need to go on right now, click on this section right now, click on this 4 days, or let me just choose 4 days or 48 hours, but I will prefer 4 days. Okay, choose past 4 days. But if your channel is more than 30 days, it has been existing for a long period of time on YouTube, more than 30 days, you can go for the last 24 hours on YouTube. Okay, let's use last 24 hours for this particular tutorial right now. Okay, the next you need to do is go on right now and click on this all category. When you click on all category, select your category right there, which is your niche, which is what you are going to select. If you are under technology, go on and select technology. If you're under business, go on and select business. If you're under YouTube growth, select YouTube growth right there. I'm going to select tech. Let's look for tech. Okay, this is tech right now. Okay, and if you do not see your category right here, select others. Okay, after that, scroll down to this section right now, click on this all trend. Once you click on all trend, it will show you show active trend only. When you check this show active trend only, you want only the keyword that is trending only now, current, that is still trending currently, like active trend. That is what people are currently searching for right now, what people actually need right now. Is not the one that have been trending for a long period of time. It's the one that is very currently trending. The one maybe keyword that started trending today or keyword that started trending last night is what you actually need. That is why you actually choose what is actually trending right there. But if you do not need what is currently trending right now, you just need to uncheck this particular section right now, and it will show you what has been trending for a long period of time until today. Okay, but this is active trend. Okay, let's go to this section right now, click on by relevance. When you click on by relevance, if you need the one with much search volume, you just need to click on by search volume. But if you do not need with the one with much search volume, and if you need by this by title, is means you want the one by, you will need it by title, by based on their titles. But this one is based on search volume, based on the number of people that are searching for it, based on if millions of people are searching for it, it will show you first. If thousands of people are searching for those keywords, it will show you first. But by recency, but the most recent one that is trending is what you want to buy. Relevant, based on how relevant they are to you, is what this one actually means. But we are going to go for by recency because we want a keyword that will actually help us to go more viral on YouTube, to get more new audience, get new subscribers, and also get much watch hours on YouTube. That is what we actually need right now. And if you should check right now in technology niche, because we are using technology for this particular tutorial right now, you'll be able to see that this is what is currently trending. iPhone 17e. This is my first time of hearing about this though. iPhone 17e, and this particular keyword has been trending for the past 7 hours ago. You can see since 7 hours ago that this particular keyword has been trending, which means if you jump on this particular trend right now, you will be able to go more viral on YouTube. Let's try another niche right now. Let's check another niche. Let's go for which niche should we go for? Let's look for business and finance. If you come to business and finance, you'll be able to see that this is what is currently trending right now in Nigeria. Electricity meter, boy, CBN, non-interest banking. That is what is currently trending right now in Nigeria. Or if you are in business niche, all you just need to do after checking this is, or is based on your category, after choosing your category and doing all this setting, the next you need to do is go on right now, copy this particular keyword right now. Copy the keyword. Once you copy the keyword, but if you do not know much about this particular keyword right now, go on right now and click on the keyword. When you click on the keyword, Google will take you to a section. You'll be able to see different blogs or different YouTubers that has made video about that particular keyword for you to be able to watch it and get ideas that you can use to make your own video. Okay, let's go back right now and you'll be able to see that the keyword is still trending. Let's go back right now, and apart from that, you can also go to Google and make research, or go to, because you may if I should tell you to use AI, you may not get relevant answer using AI if you are making your research using because the keyword is a trending keyword. Let's input the keyword which you copied before. This is the keyword. Put the keyword right there. Pay very close attention. When you put the keyword, this is what is trending right now, which we copied before. Scroll down to this particular section right now. You'll be able to see people also search. This is some section. This is a long tail keyword which people are also searching for based on the keyword which you actually check right now. And if you actually play your game very well, you'll be able to make a lot of traffic using this particular keyword strategy, which I just share with you right now. Let's go back to the trend section right now. Okay, let's go back to the trend. And apart from this, also there are a couple of YouTube settings you need to set on your YouTube dashboard so that your video can easily go viral easily. All you don't need to do is go to your YouTube studio right now, search for studio.youtube.com, search for it, studio.youtube.com. Once you search for it, it will take you to your YouTube studio web version. Once it take you to your web version, all you don't need to do is to come to this particular section right now. Okay, let's take for instance that let's go for the video section. In the video section, there are some settings you need to actually go on right now and set. Okay, let's go to the first setting. The first setting is this particular setting which is publish to subscription feed and notify subscriber. Publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Since you do not have much subscribers yet, uncheck this particular section right now so that YouTube can suggest your video to new users that are not your current subscribers. Okay, that will actually help your YouTube video to go viral. But if you have an active subscriber that usually watch your video anytime you post, that means you will check this particular section. And that section that you will actually need to check is this particular section. Click on this settings section right now. When you click on this settings section right now, come to this particular section right now, click on channels. Click on channels. When you click on channels, it will take you to this particular section right now. You are going to input your relevant keyword or trending keywords right here in this particular keyword section right now. When you put keywords in this particular section, make sure that the country which you can see, this is country of residence. Your country of residence, put it based on the country of residence right here. You can see it right there. Put keywords that are currently trending, active keywords that are trending right now. Put it right there in your niche. When you put it right there in your niche, that will actually help your YouTube video to go more viral on YouTube. And apart from that also, if you click on this advanced setting right now, okay, when you click on advanced setting and you scroll down right now to this section right now, another way that your YouTube video will be able to go viral is by choosing this particular section right now, this audience. In this audience section, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see, no, your video is not made for kids. Make it permanent that your video is not made for kids, because most times you might be rushing to post a video or a training video, and you by mistake you will choose that it is made for kids, and which is not supposed to be so. Video that is made for kids will be selective, and it is only kid, and the video may not easily go viral like that because that video is not made for kids, but you only choose that it is made for kids. Okay, YouTube will limit your access of going viral. And apart from that also, choose auto dubbings. Okay, allow automatic dubbing. Okay, this particular section right now will actually make your YouTube video to go viral, mostly if you are targeting international audience. If you are targeting international audience, this automatic dubbing will actually help your video to translate to any language that the user is actually watching from. Let's take for instance that you are watching me right now and you are not hearing English, and I'm recording this video with English. You'll be able to see that I will be speaking French like YouTube will translate this particular video automatically to French if you check this particular section right now. You can see. But if you allow manual, you can see the first one is allow automatic dubbing. If you select it, it will always translate to French if someone that is hearing French is watching that particular video from French country, and from German country the person will be watching it and I will be speaking German. But if you choose manual review dubs, okay, dubs before publishing, if you choose this particular section right now, which means before you will upload the video, you will always review each of those languages before you publish the video, which is not supposed to speak. So it is better for you to choose this first one, which is allow automatic dubbing. Okay, and apart from that also, there are some couple of settings also that are also important for you to be able to set. Also, this particular third-party training, you can see allow third-party company to train AI model using my content. You can see this section right now. This particular one will actually allow different AI to be able to pick your key, to be able to pick your video immediately you publish the video, and this is helping for training keyword. If people are searching for trending keyword on ChatGPT right now, ChatGPT may not have the answer, but ChatGPT will likely suggest your video as a relevant answer to that particular keyword. That is why allowing this particular one, allow all third-party companies to use your video to train their AI is very powerful. And these particular settings which I just share with you right now will allow your video to go viral and you will start getting more audience. And if you get value from this particular video, kindly help me to like this video right now and subscribe to the channel. I'm Coach Osolo. I share tips and strategy that will make your video go viral and you'll be able to get more audience. And I'm signing out for now. Bye.